And now I want to welcome you in Croatia. This is the rising star in medical spa tourism, offering natural thermal springs, mineral-rich waters, high quality wellness centers. International patients visit for affordable rehabilitation, hydrotherapy, dermatology, and stress relief treatments. Also, Croatia is famous for dental and plastic surgery treatment. I would like to invite a Professor Vladimir Mozetic, President of Kvarner Health Cluster Croatia. Professor Vladimir, please introduce your region and tell us more about what new in Kvarner medicine.
Thank you, Natalia. I will go forward with the presentation of our region and the destination, as well as the Croatia at all. And I will present our activities from the cluster of health tourism in Kvarner region. So, just in short about me, I'm the president of the association as well as the medical doctor, and I'm working in my private polyclinic, which is, of course, the member of the cluster. The region where I'm coming from and where the members of the cluster is calling Kvarner, and with a really nice surrounding and very healthy surrounding with the mountains of the north. We are in 20 minutes from the coastal line in a mountain part. We have the islands of the south, short on the east, and peninsula on the west, with very nice local microclimate. So as if we are talking about the tradition of the health tourism in our region, in last year we celebrated 180 years of the initiation of health tourism in our region, which is started in city of Opatija, which is on northern part of the Adriatic Sea, and it started in 1844 as a healing garden of Europe due to microclimate which I mentioned previously. As a roots, we have it in that time in 2040, we established the cluster, which now has 38 members with more than 9,500 employees, which are 5,000 medical staff in three different sectors, which are very good connected. One is the health sector with private and public medical institutions, both from the medicine and dental segment, from the polyclinics, clinical hospital centers, thalassotherapies, specialized hospitals, rehabilitation center, as well as you may see, we have one part of the health industry, the biggest Croatian pharmaceutical company, which is situated in our region, JGL, it's our member too. From the tourism part, we have six biggest hotel chain in our region, as well as the tourist agency and touristic boards, which are situated in several parts of our region, as well as the three faculties of our university. And now our university is a partner in our project. As you may see, we are NGO. And which is our mission and vision? First of all, in the last 10 years, we bring together health, tourism, science, education in one segment to provide the results of our collaboration with products from health industry to health tourism. And of course, we reach the level that health industry it's one of the most important economic components of development of our country, as well as the whole Croatia. What I can talk about our segments, which are our forte in presentation of health tourism. We are on great location. We have a long tradition. We have state-of-the-art services in health, wellness, and tourism. We have a large number of medical services on competitive prices, and we are one of the European health and well-being destinations. Another thing which is really important, that we are very well situated. The whole Croatia has the great position, and our region, it's one of the best position in this region. Why? Because as you may see, on 5 hours drive from each part of the Croatia, we may reach almost 80 million of inhabitants, which are 15 million older than 60 years, which means we are already talk about the market. And by the plane, we can reach the whole Europe in less than 2 hours of flight. Except the brand of health and well-being, which is our regional brand, we have several other brands which we combine with health and well-being. With one of those are Kvarner family, then the one is Kvarner food, hiking trails, biking trails, gourmet, and the last one, it's but not least, Kvarner wines, and which is really important. We are very well connected by the highways as well as the 6 airports nearby. And another thing, and one sentence which we like to use, that the microclimate in our region, it's very healing. So we have the sentence that 1 week stand in our region will prolong your life for 1 year. And which services we offer? From the transfer, accommodation, health services, as well as the outdoor activities, nutrition segment with a really nice Mediterranean gastronomic offer, as well as the food from mountain parks too. And we include in whole services and the healing process the art and culture too. As I mentioned previously, we use in our processes the natural healing resources, and you may see on the right side on the screen one of the very popular products from the sea. It's a sterilized seawater, and this product, Aquamaris, is now conquered 10% of the world products on that level, and the producer, it's our pharmaceutical company I mentioned previously, JGL, which is our partner. So we combine natural healing resources to the final product on the market. If we are talking about the numbers, in our hospitals, medical wellness centers, rehabilitation centers, as well as the dental clinics, in last 5 years, including, which is really important, including COVID years, we have more than 320,000 health tourism patients. So it's for our region a very big number, and we hope that that number will grow in next future years. So I will explain the philosophy of our cluster, but not just the cluster, the whole strategy of health industry and health tourism in our region, because we are quite sure that health, it's one of the 10 main important segments of the overall quality of life, as well as for the domestic citizens and the guests who are coming in our region. But if we are moved to the health tourism segment, we have one investigation of our Institute of Tourism, and there are the main motives for health tourists coming to the destination from the segment of wellness, health and spa, and medical segments. So that's the reason our goals are going in this way. And you may see on this slide that our regional as well as our national Croatian strategy and goals are in preventive, personalized, integrative medicine, lifestyle medicine, physical and mental rehabilitation, as well as the active and healthy aging. You may see that the whole Croatia, it's very well connected by the highways. We have quite enough airports, and of course we have one diversity in not just in our region, but in whole Croatia, and that's the beautiful, because if you want to heal your body and mind, that diversity, it's very, very nice to have it. Why? We are quite sure that we need to talk with our customers, because they will decide which kind of the services they will need, and we are talking with them like the partners, and we are very tailored made in the presentation of our services. Another thing which is really important, that in our region, that strategy 2030, it's already running, and one of 5 segments of the development, it's the health. And in the health, we have four priority niches. One is future pharma, the second one is personalized medicine, the third one is health and wellness tourism, and the fourth is food for well-being, which means that the whole strategy and the financial segments and as well as the marketing and PR are put in those four segments. And we already running all those initiatives. You have it here, and we combine not just the services in health tourism, but clinical investigations, educational processes, usage of artificial intelligence, as well as the new kinds of medical therapy in our not just provide services, but in other hand, you will see in next slide that we already running some projects in how we develop digitalization, telemedicine, artificial intelligence, medical mobile applications, central contact center. So many things which will do better things for our nowadays and future customers. And we established the Center for Development and Innovations in Health Industry and Health Tourism with some of the biggest companies in IT and health sector in our region as well as in Croatia to establish the new products in which is one is the certificate of destination of health and well-being, which it's something which is important on the world level because those certificates already do not exist, and we are in process to present the possibilities of the how to reach the certificate for the whole who will need it. And on the end, I like to say that for all those achievements, we need to communications and synergy and coordination between the private and public sector, universities, local and regional self-government, as well as the entrepreneurship and civil sector, which we have it in our region. And of course, the good communication due to several things. One of those is the law with both ministries of health and tourism and sport, our Croatian touristic board, Croatian economic chamber, regional authorities, as well as our university and regional development agency. And of course, I invite you as the members and participants of this year Global Health Tourism Show to be the representative of our 12th Croatia International Health Tourism Conference, which will be on second half of the October. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mozetic. So, can you tell us more about guests who coming to Kvarner for health purpose? Which country is it?
So basically, the main our customers are from the region, from the Italy, Austria, Germany, but the other parts are from the Scandinavia countries, Great Britain, as well as the France. So the main countries from where our customers coming are those I mentioned. But we have the contacts and partnership with. I will just show you how far we are going to with the Ministry of Ayush of Republic of India, as well as the Association of Croatian American Professionals from the States, and the contacts with China and the Middle East partners. So that's the main countries from where we have our customers.